Hey guys, it's me T, and today we're going to be coloring a Baby Yoda. Don't look at this. I really need it so I can remember it. And let's start the video. So first we're going to be drawing a little nose. It's just a little curve. I was just getting something, and now the little eyes, bottom, everything, something, little, I didn't even want to color it. I wanted to color it. And now let's color something else. The other eye. Okay, I'm gonna do something else later. Okay, now I'm just make the ear. I erased it. I erased that because it didn't look good. I'm gonna make a different ear. Ear. So my ear is gonna be floppy. Flappy, flap. Baby Yoda. Still, Baby Yoda, other ear. Baby Yoda. Oh, the hat. Baby Yoda. Okay, now let me see. This, I don't know how to draw, and I don't know what to do. I don't know, okay? Okay, let's start again. And what's this? Don't look. Okay, don't mind that pencil. I know I love my pencil, but don't mind that anymore. Okay, we get it. Of course, yes. Yes, we get it now. We get it. Come on. Start. Yes. Okay, now draw everything else. Put that a little bit up. You have to draw that. Looks pretty cute. When I think of it. Finally done. Now I need to color it. Now I need to color it. Now I need to color it. 2 more minutes and I'm done. 2 more minutes and I'm done. The extra detail. Why am I doing that? I'm trying to make something like humba. And then when I'm done coloring, I did that cool transition. Wow. Oh yeah. Enough singing. Now I'm finally done coloring. Now clap. More claps. Oh yeah, I'm done. It took 1 quadrillion hours and towers. Oh yeah. Why did I say towers? Oh my god, I'm finally done. And why did I do that? Okay, so punch the subscribe button, please, and turn on that little bell thing. It didn't get off though. Okay, come on, hey. The bell and subscribe if it's great. Thank you, finally. And get subscribed. Oh, okay, bye.